Okay, this is the piano lesson. This is Carib Harmony 1-4-5. This is the 1-4-5 chords. This is page 3 from your book. And we see that we're in C. And you can see that we have these chords here. And so we want to be able to just play them up and down. Now, you may recognize these chords. You've heard them in various progressions. And one of the things that we can do to start to understand how this sounds or how to write songs with it is I'm going to play a chord in my left hand and then a melody in my right hand. So this is a good idea to play through these chords to get an idea and a feeling for how they move. Okay, what I just did there was the 5 chord back home to the 1 chord. That is the strongest movement in music, and that's sort of how we end a paragraph in music, so to speak. Now, here I am, and we're going to use numbers to describe these different chords. Each of the keys, here I am in C major, that's Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi is the same as 1, 2, 3. So I can play up and down the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, in order to describe how I'm going to build these chords. So each number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I now build a chord on top of that, that's my 4 chord. If I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is my 5 chord. And then I go home to complete. So what I'll do now is I'll just play a chord and I'll play some melody on top so you get an understanding of how this sounds. Okay, and for your bass line, you notice I have the bass line written down there. Do, mi, so, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So you're going to be using these chords to build your bass line. And you can see on page 3 there that I have your bass line written out. Do, mi, so, then I move to the 4 chord. Do, to the 5 chord. So I can play, pretty much get my whole song going by playing the bass line and then the chords on top. Okay, so this is where we're going to build our song. In Logic, I'm going to use a bass sound to build this first bass line and then start building a song on top.